Been a while, fam. It's like January. Actually finally got a little break in the weather. It's gonna be like in the 40s today. It's been like 20 or below zero for a long time. We gotta go haul a couple loads of gravel. Come with me, let's go. Jump in, let's bang it. Before we head out, check this out. All the new apparel. By the time you're watching this, everything will be on the site. OrschellX.com. There's the back of the hoodies. There's the front zips. Pullovers. Them are good. Camo, you guys are asking for these. Beanies. Got all the lining in them. Make excavation great again. Make hard work great again. It's got the little hit on the back there. Here's all the different shirts. And these shirts, man, I've been doing apparel for over 30 years with the shop and buying blanks for the excavation. This is by far the best shirt I've ever came up with. Super good. So go check it out on the website, Shop Orschell X. It's actually just OrschellX.com. T-shirts are 20 bucks a piece. And then free shipping is 50 bucks. So you buy 2 t-shirts and a pair of socks, free shipping. I think hoodies are gonna be like 40. Hats will probably be like 25. Appreciate it. There it is. And always make hard work great again. It's been a while since I've hauled a load of gravel or anything. I ain't done much in the last couple months, which I do not mind. It's been pretty nice. A lot of water in the bed. That's how long it's been sitting. St. Leon off of 74. I guess it's west. I used to ride my quad all down through these woods here, fish down in that lake. Always something going on. St. Leon, West Harrison, Indiana. Looking for brown 73s. I don't know if they have those here. I know they got white 73s. I thought Brian told me they quit making brown ones here. Well, they can drive back here to the pile and see what they got. Let's get out and take a look at them. I don't think they got 73s here. Ooh, nice and wet. When I got in, I was messing with this. I always thought that was to tilt my wheel like this. It makes it go in and out. I wondered why this thing was always in my line of sight. I'm not real tall and I always wreck my line of sight, so got her where she needs to be now. I had to pull over before my gauge said I was running over 250. Man, I've been having a heck of a time with this thing last year with the overheating. We had it in the shop 2 different times. Last time they just rebuilt the fan and a bunch of stuff. Must be the, which it was overheating because it was puking antifreeze in, but this must be bad too or going out. I tell you, it's always something with these trucks, always. Mechanical nightmare. Good thing I got a couple good guys that can work on them. totally forgot I got a new windshield put in this thing. I seen that circle up there where they suction cupped it in. There you go, Squirt. I got a new windshield for you. We're here. It's kind of mushy. See what happens. See if we're gonna clear these wires. Look at that mess we made. That's why I say working this time of the year, you're just working against yourself. Wait. Through the pins on the gate, I'll let everything go against the back. So I'm away from that wire. Another trucking company did that and the electric jumped from that and burned their truck down. Time to bang them, boys. See what it turned out like. What do you think?
Yeah, that'll work.
You got your work cut out for you today now.
Yeah, give me something to do.
Get them windshield breakers out of there. Bang, bang, bang. Well, this load here is for my driveway. It's a mess. All that snow freezing and thawing on it. I would start down there, but I want to get the dozer and reestablish this ditch. It's can't remember. Good thing I taped these right here. Remember what length we put them on. This stuff here, tailgate out. Tailgate out super good. Got clean number 5s. That'll be good to push down in this real nice. This load's nice and juicy. This time you're not just paying for this time of year you're not just paying for gravel, you're paying for water too. pretty big. I guess that was 5. Heck, I don't know. That's what I told him when I paid for it. Well, there you guys are. Huh. You should have seen what I was dealing with up here. I hate that when you're making a pole and you got to cut it off for the line, so I couldn't keep going. So I stopped and then the whole gate plugged up. It can't happen at will. Just part of it. Yeah, the lines always screw up you get it laying in there real nice. And then you gotta stop your momentum. This stuff will be good. I think it'll push down in that good. Still coming out. Old hammer ripped that one off when we were doing that demo job. It's all frozen up. It's starting to melt. Big old ice chunks. Let's see what we got back here. What the hell does that keep going all the way up? I threw it out, didn't I? Yeah. For some reason it keeps going all the way up. Getting there. A little persuasion. That's solid. Yeah, that's nice and icy. Nice chunks. You'll have that when it's been below 0 for a long time. They say our weather was the coldest long stretch in 2 decades. It was cold for a long period of time. Yeah, I don't think that stuff was number 5s, because this is number 5s here. That stuff's way bigger. I thought it all out. It's still balled up in there. Come walk with me, guys. Let me show you something. I think you'll be quite surprised. Here it is. Look how good I got the shop. Of course, I got a little bit of a catch-all, but look at this. Got all the posters and jerseys, everything hung up. Got everything hung up on that side. Everything's somewhat cleaned up. Got to get the duck house out of here. Got the plywood on that side. Jamie or Idaho and Job's coming tomorrow. We're gonna plywood to about there, and then that'll be it for this year. I'll be able to knock out pretty quick. But yeah, look how good it turned out. So now I just got to get this stuff organized in the bins, and I built a shelf over here. Get all the Huskies up on. Yeah, it's all coming together. And I got new stickers. Right here, shoporschell.com. Man, I got some new designs. I should be having them on there hopefully by the time this video's out, but they're bangers. The other stuff had a phone number on it, which I didn't really care to have that online, but it's all I had at the time. The new stuff doesn't. Really good. So check that out. I'm not even gonna lie to you and tell you I'll do like a link or something, because I'm not going to. I don't know how to. Let's go grab the tractor, knock that stuff down. right in there, real nice. Pretty big, but I think it'd be good once they push down in this. Before, this stuff was just so sloppy. I mean, when you get out with your car, it's just like you're surfing. Yeah, so I think I got it good to push down in there and solid up. See how nasty this is right here? Well, I think that's enough banging for today, fam. Can't get into it too hard. It's still January. I think there's a dump truck there. Like always, keep doing what you do. Check out Orschell X. The new stuff is fire. Bang, bang, bang.